little bit about what is probate. So one thing I want to make sure that I can be clear about is the best thing you can do is speak with an estate planning attorney and plan for the inevitable. If you have kids and you don't have a house or you don't have other assets, still speak to an estate planning attorney. There's a lot to avoid by making sure you have a plan for the inevitable, whether it happens 50 years from now or it happens 5 years from now or tomorrow. So what I'm talking about is I want your estate and your family to avoid having to go through probate court. So probate court, several different things that happen with probate court is there's conservatorships and guardianships. The other part of this is if you own a home or you own other assets that are over a certain amount. Now the laws change from year to year. So after that certain amount, and if you die with just a will, which you want to happen to your estate, or you die with estate planning in place, or you die without a will, the branch umbrella court that takes care of those matters after someone passes away and they have an estate to administer to their heirs, to whoever the person that died stated or did not state, goes through. First thing is, again, if you have a will, your estate will have to go through probate. If you only have a will, I should say, that estate will go through probate process. That means that there's a judge in place, several other supporting attorneys in place that are looking at the will and laying out what needs to happen, and that has to go through somebody taking charge of. Usually they're stated in the will, called an executor. And then also they take care of issues that if there was no will, or if there was an invalid will, or the will was lost, or the trust was lost. If there's no will, no written information, or no valid will, then somebody's gonna petition to become an administrator of the estate. And that means basically they're saying, I'm the best person to go through this process. I can take care of making sure that whatever the court decides will happen and transpire. All the creditors will be notified. From the state tax board to county tax board and everybody else that the decedent may have owed money to. So there's time that's built in to slow things down so creditors can get their money.